Hey there, feline lovers. Welcome back to the EncycloChannel, the perfect place for all your cat-related knowledge. Today we're diving into an intriguing question. Does your cat reflect your personality? Yeah, you heard that right. So, if you want to find out if your adorable furball shares your quirks, make sure to stick around till the end of this video. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button below to join the EncycloChannel family. We've got tons of fascinating cat content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment if you're enjoying our videos. We love hearing from our amazing viewers like you. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of human and feline connections. Research from the University of Lincoln and Nottingham, Trent University reveals a surprising link between human personality and our beloved cats. They surveyed over 3,000 cat owners in the UK, asking about their own traits and their cats' behaviors. And guess what they found? Cats tend to have personalities that mirror their human companions. Can you believe it? If you're neurotic, your cat might show some behavioral issues. If you're super organized and disciplined, your feline friend might be calmer and less aloof. It's like a personality mirror, but with whiskers. So, picture this: you're a laid-back, easygoing person, and your cat is all chill and relaxed, purring away on your lap. Or maybe you're a bit of a scatterbrain, and your cat runs around like a wild tornado, knocking things over left and right. It's a hilarious thought, isn't it? Now, let's take a moment to acknowledge that this study has its limitations. They didn't exactly figure out why our personalities influence our cat's well-being, and the survey only looked at a few personality traits. But hey, it's still a fascinating starting point, right? But here's what really blows my mind. Cats are incredibly sensitive to their environment, including our energy levels. Studies have shown that when we're stressed, our cats can feel it too. So, if you're having a rough day and feeling all frazzled, your furry friend might not be as relaxed as usual. They're like little energy detectors. And here's the cool part: cats might just be our secret teachers, trying to make us better humans. Imagine that. By recognizing how our energy affects them, we can work on improving ourselves. It's a win-win situation, my friends. We become happier, and our cats become even more content. But now, it's your turn. Do you think your cats reflect your personality traits? Are they the yin to your yang, or are they complete opposites? Share your experiences and let's have a fun conversation in the comments below. And remember, if you want to stay updated with more mind-blowing cat content, make sure to subscribe to the EncycloChannel. That's it for today, my fabulous cat enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me on this feline adventure.